What if I told you that the most dominant competitive programmer in history started his journey at just 6 years old? Yeah, we're talking about a guy known as Tourist, who's won every single major competition and turned down millions from tech giants just to pursue his love of computer science. So how exactly did a kid from Belarus become the undisputed GOAT of competitive programming? Well, let's hold on a second. To understand Gennady Korotkovich, we need to take it back to September 25, 1994, when a child was born in the city of Gomel, Belarus, to two programming professors who had no idea their son would rewrite history. Gennady's parents, Vladimir and Lyudmila Korotkovich, were programmers at the Francisc Scarina, Homiel State University's mathematics department. Little did they know their son would become the greatest competitive programmer in history. At just 6 years old, young Gennady showed an unusual fascination with his parents' work. This wasn't the typical childhood curiosity. There was something different about the way he approached problems, the way his mind worked. His father, recognizing this spark, designed a special children's game to introduce him to programming concepts. But nobody could have predicted how quickly this spark would ignite into a roaring flame. By age 8, Gennady's talent caught the attention of Mikhail Dolinsky, one of Belarus's most respected computer science teachers. Dolinsky recalls a remarkable moment. As a second grader at a national competition, he solved a problem about a body immersed in water, without even knowing about Archimedes' principle of buoyancy. This was the first sign that they were dealing with an extraordinary mind. The competitive programming world first stood up and took notice when, at the unprecedented age of 11, Gennady qualified for the 2006 International Olympiad in informatics. This wasn't just breaking the record, it was shattering it. Most competitors were high school seniors. Gennady was barely in middle school. He didn't just participate, he won silver in his first attempt, a feat that would have been the crowning achievement of most programmers' careers. For Gennady, it was just the beginning. What followed was a display of dominance never before seen in competitive programming. From 2007 to 2012, Gennady won 6 consecutive gold medals at the IOI. To put this in perspective, most programmers dream of winning just one medal in their entire career. Gennady won gold 6 times in a row, often finishing first overall. He wasn't just winning, he was revolutionizing how problems were solved, approaching challenges with a creativity and efficiency that left even the judges in awe. At the 2009 IOI in Plovdiv, a 14-year-old Gennady showed remarkable humility that would become his trademark. "I try various strategies, and one of them is the right one," he said. "I am no genius. I am simply good at it." This modesty, combined with his extraordinary talent, only added to his legend. Unlike many who might let success consume their lives, Gennady maintained balance, spending no more than 3 to 4 hours daily at the computer, making time for football and table tennis. In 2012, Gennady's journey took him to Russia's prestigious ITMO University. This move marked the beginning of a new chapter in his already illustrious career. In 2013, he led ITMO to victory in the International Collegiate Programming Contest World Finals, defeating powerhouse teams from Shanghai Jiaotong University and the University of Tokyo. This victory showcased not just his individual brilliance, but his ability to excel in team environments. But it was in individual competitions where Gennady truly rewrote the history books. His dominance at Google Code Jam is the stuff of legend. 8 consecutive championships from 2014 to 2022. Think about that for a moment. For 8 years, the best programmers from around the world gathered to compete, and 8 times they all went home second place to Gennady. Add to this 3 Facebook Hacker Cup victories, and you begin to understand the breadth of his dominance. On coding platforms, Gennady's achievements border on the mythical. On Codeforces, he became the first and only person to break the 4,000 ELO barrier, a rating so high that a new category had to be created just for him. Fittingly named Tourist after his handle, this achievement stands as a testament to his unparalleled skill. With over 2,600 problems solved, he's not just setting records, he's creating benchmarks that might never be matched. His dominance extends across every major competitive programming platform. He holds the highest possible rating on CodeChef as a 7-star coder. He tops the rankings on Top Coder, @Coder, and HackerRank. This isn't just success, this is complete and total dominance of an entire field. Despite his unprecedented success, Gennady's choices reveal a character as remarkable as his talent. When tech giants like Google and Yandex came calling with lucrative job offers, he declined, choosing instead to pursue his PhD at ITMO University. In a world where technical talent often follows the highest bidder, Gennady chose to follow his passion for computer science and research. In August 2024, Gennady achieved what many thought impossible, breaking the 4,000 ELO barrier on Codeforces. This milestone required the creation of a new rating category, as the previous highest category, Legendary Grandmaster, only went up to 3,000. The new Tourist category, with its distinctive red first letter and black remainder, stands as a testament to his unparalleled achievements. His consistency is perhaps his most remarkable trait. Even now, he maintains a strict practice schedule, solving complex algorithmic problems daily while pursuing his PhD at ITMO University. While others burned out, Gennady's methodical approach, limiting practice to 3 to 4 hours daily and maintaining outside interests, has kept him at the top for over a decade. The numbers tell the story. Over 2,600 problems solved on Codeforces alone. 8 consecutive Google Code Jam victories from 2014 to 2022. The first and only person to break the 4,000 ELO barrier, a feat that forced Codeforces to create an entirely new ranking category. His handle, Tourist, now represents more than a username. It's become the highest possible achievement in competitive programming. His influence extends far beyond the rankings. Through his teaching at ITMO University and his competition strategies, he's revolutionized how problems are approached. Young programmers study his solutions like Grandmaster chess games, learning from his elegant approaches to seemingly impossible challenges. Despite offers from tech giants worth millions, he chose to stay in academia, focusing on advancing computer science rather than corporate success. Gennady's legacy isn't just about the records he's broken or the competitions he's won. It's about proving that with the right approach, dedication, and strategic thinking, you can achieve what others consider impossible. From that curious 6-year-old in Belarus to becoming the undisputed master of competitive programming, his journey shows that true greatness comes from consistent excellence, not just fleeting moments of brilliance. The legend of Tourist continues to grow. At an age when many retire from competitive programming, Gennady Korotkevich keeps pushing boundaries, solving problems in ways that leave even veteran programmers in awe. He hasn't just dominated the field, he's redefined what's possible in competitive programming, setting standards that may stand for generations to come.